Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Teachable course, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you add a picture or an image into your Teachable course? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to add a picture into your Teachable course anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business selling courses, you know that by having images and videos can make your course seem so much more valuable. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Teachable account. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Teachable account, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to add an image into your Teachable course, here on the left side, you're going to click on Courses. All right, once you do that, you're going to see all the courses you have in Teachable. You can see I just have this one. And in order to add an image into the course itself, you want to click on the name of the course right here. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see the curriculum preview right here. So you kind of want to just scroll through until you see the section that you want to add an image to. So for example, under Mexican food, I have this section here called, or lesson, Tacos al Pastor. Let's go ahead and click on there. Okay, once you do that, you're going to be able to edit the curriculum. So for this particular lesson, there's a couple of different ways you can add an image. So as you can see right here, I have the recipe or information about Tacos al Pastor. So if I want to add it into the text right here, we're going to click on edit. Once you do that, you're going to be able to edit the text and just kind of put the cursor where you want the image to go. So for example, right here. And then once you've done that, here on the top right, click on this image button. Once you do that, you can go ahead and grab an image from your desktop. Okay, I grabbed an image. Let me go ahead and upload. Okay, quick second later, the page refreshes and you can see I have the image right here in between the various text that we have. And if you want, it's going to be left centered. So if you want to put it in the middle, you can go ahead and just click on the image and then click on these three horizontal lines and then just kind of move it to the position you want it in the center or off to the right. I kind of like mine in the center. And then you want to click on save down here on the bottom right. Okay, now we have an image. Now, if you just want one big image, you can also scroll down and add content right here. Once you do that, you'll see these options and you can click here, images, and then just click on image, same thing. Okay, I got a new image. Let me upload it. Okay, now we have a new image and then we're going to click on save. Okay, now we can see we have a text and image right here. So we can have the text up here and then right after we're going to have a big image of whatever the recipe is. And you can also move it around. So maybe I want the image to be up on the top. I just drag it and drag it right above the text. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to add an image or a photo into your Teachable course, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.